Hello everybody, it's your boy Koi here, YouTube's Rose Goku Black. Today with some bad news and some good news. Let's start with the bad. A good friend of mine goes by YouVsMatt. He does the several voices, some of them including that of Jocko and Det the Kid, along with quite a few others. He's very talented. Got his account terminated due to YouTube stupidity, corruption, whatever. But what we're going to do this time is we're not going to go spam the crap out of YouTube. They're not going to do a damn thing because, well, they're just a bunch of jerks. But the good news is my good friend Matt has made a new channel that goes by Mattaru. And he still does the same things. Voices Jocko, Det the Kid, apparently even voices Perfect Cell, and Homer Simpson. I mean, who knows what else he's going to voice, but I would highly encourage all of you to go subscribe to him, help him rebuild what he lost, and just go give him the love and support he deserves. And, yeah, let's just try to help all these channels that have lost their, lost what they built just because of idiotic bots and idiotic managers who were too lazy or too stupid. Like, this is, we went about it the wrong way. This is the way to fight YouTube's idiocy and corruption. So, yeah, go subscribe to Mattaru today and go enjoy his awesome content. Thank you for watching this. Later.